Today, I will be presenting you an ideal Bengali breakfast recipe which is one of the greatest creation of the Bengali confectioners. Radha Vallabhi and Alur Dum. Let's start with the Alur Dum first. Alur Dum is one of the classic Indian dish which is made using baby potatoes cooked in spiceful gravy. This dish can be prepared in various ways. Today, I will be showing you a typical Bengali style alur dum recipe. So, let's begin with the process. We will start with frying the potatoes first. These potatoes are boiled and the skin has been peeled off, and I am using the cooking medium as the refined oil. So, fry the potatoes nicely till it gets golden brown from both the sides. I have also added salt while frying this potato. When it gets fried, take it off in a bowl. In the same oil, now add some mohri or the fennel seeds. When it starts crackling, add some hing or asafoetida. Now, I have added one paste. This paste contains ginger paste, Kashmiri mirch, salt, turmeric powder, and I will mix it nicely. I will add tomato paste to this mixture and again mix this. I will add some sugar and mix this till it releases oil. I have to cook it till the raw flavor of the masalas and the tomatoes goes out. Now I will add some water and let the mixture or the gravy gets cooked till it gets a good boil. Now I will add the fried potatoes into the gravy and mix this nicely and let it cook for some time. Once the gravy gets nicely mixed up with the potatoes, I will cover it and cook it for some time. Now after 10 minutes, you can see the gravy has completely dried up and the aloo is ready. I will now add chopped green chilies along with some bhaja masala and chopped coriander leaves. Mix this and it's ready to serve. Now after alur dum, it's time for Radha Vallabhi. We will take urad dal which is soaked overnight and we'll make a smooth paste of it along with salt, some green chilies and little ginger. Now in a kadhai, I will add fennel seeds or the mohri in refined oil. I will add some hing and then I will add the urad dal paste. Now the task is to cook this paste or the mixture nicely till it dries up and we get a dry mixture of the dal which will be our stuffing for Radha Vallabi. If required, you can also add some salt as per your taste. And you can see my stuffing or the poor of Radha Vallabi is ready. Now I will take maida or whole wheat flour. We'll add some salt and mix with the flour nicely. Next I will add refined oil and mix this oil with the flour nicely. Now with the help of water I will prepare a soft dough. When the dough gets ready, I will sprinkle some oil more and I will spread it over the dough and keep it for rest for at least 30 minutes. Now comes the final part. You can see I have prepared small balls from the dough and I will press these balls to make a bowl or katora type, and I will put the stuffing inside this flour bowl and close the ball again like this. Roll it in your hand and press this again. Now with the help of some oil and rolling pin, I will roll it. Now in a kadhai full of oil, I will fry these rolled flat puris from both the side nicely, and my Radha Vallabi is ready. Similarly, I will prepare more puris or the Radha Vallabis. You must check so that it gets fried from both the sides, and my golden puris or Radha Vallabi is ready. Serve it with aloo dum or any side dish of your choice. If you have liked this recipe, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.